girls, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Here in this channel we talk about relaxed hair care, hair growth tips, protective styling, and so much more concerning the hair topic in general. So if you know you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing to join the family. Unfortunately, I already filmed the intro of this video before, but it got lost. Like, I am so upset about that right now, but I have to film another intro, and that is why I'm filming this intro on rollers, because I have already finished, like almost completed the roller set before I lost the first part of the video. So you guys are going to see the roller set from like when I'm like halfway done. Sorry, I lost the first part of the video, but let me just give a quick intro. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a roller set tutorial, which is actually a highly requested and a long awaited video. I know you guys have been asking me, being in my comment sections and all that, to post a roller set tutorial and all that. And yeah guys, here we are. I used X jumbo rollers for these tutorials. I initially got X large when I made my huge order. In case you've not seen that video, you can check it out where I showed you guys like the unboxing and the whole of all the products and everything I got. Like, I got so many products, so many tools, accessories and all that. So you can check out that video if you are interested. So this was the one I initially got. This was S jumbo. This was X large, 8-inch pack. I realized it was too small. Then I went ahead to order the S jumbo. I actually wanted to get the S jumbo, but I mistakenly ordered the X large, thinking the X large was X jumbo. So yeah, so the S jumbo rollers was what I used for this tutorial. Other things I used and you are going to be seeing in the video is, first of all, my moisturizer, the Prophetic Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Straightener. This is my go-to moisturizer. The other thing I use is the Silk Elements Mega Silk Olive Heat Protection Spray with silk. This is the first time I'm using this heat protectant, and I was very excited to try it out and all that, and I can't wait to give a review about this product. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that the heat protectant I usually use is like more heavy, like serum based, but this is more lightweight and can be sprayed, unlike the former heat protector I use. So another thing I'm going to be using is my wide tooth comb. Moving on, the other thing I use for this roller set tutorial is my blow dryer. So I've had this blow dryer for a long time now. I think up to 4 years now. I've given a review on it already on the channel, so you can check it out if you are interested. So yeah guys, I think those are all the products I used in this roller set routine. So what I did for this routine was to first go in with my moisturizer, then go in with the heat protectant, the tango, that is my wet tooth comb, and just style with the rollers. And that is what I did for my entire head of hair. So I'm just going to be showing you guys like the clip of where I put my hair in rollers, after which I'm going to come back and take my hair off the rollers and show you guys the final result.